Welcome to Istanbul, Turkey, a city where East meets West and history blends seamlessly with modernity. Discover the majestic Bosphorus Strait, the lifeline of Istanbul, spanned by iconic bridges connecting two continents. Marvel at the architectural wonders of Hagia Sophia and the Blue Mosque, symbols of Istanbul's rich cultural heritage. Explore Topkapi Palace, the former residence of Ottoman sultans, surrounded by breathtaking gardens and historic sites. Experience the vibrant energy of the Grand Bazaar and Spice Market, where colors, aromas, and sounds create an unforgettable atmosphere. Fly over modern Istanbul, a dynamic metropolis with towering skyscrapers and bustling urban life. As the sun sets over Istanbul, the city transforms into a magical landscape of lights and shadows. Istanbul, Turkey, a city of timeless allure. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible travel videos.